Hey, y'all, Zach McDonald, your real estate agent with Real Property Associates. And today I want to answer the question, what are the benefits of owning a home? Now, I'm going to share some financial benefits. Of course, there are other benefits like being able to paint the walls whatever color you want, get a dog over 20 pounds, not have neighbors living above you and running along the top of your floor. But the big area I want to focus right now is on the financial benefits of owning a home. And the first potential benefit here is the forced savings account. Now, I would be lying if I told you when you buy a home every month, all of that payment is going towards the principal on your house. Now, a portion of that is going towards the principal, and at the beginning, actually, a large portion is going towards your taxes and interest. So at the beginning, most of your mortgage payment, a majority of it is actually going towards interest and taxes, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But you are paying down the debt on your house, and after, depending on the term of your loan, 15, 30 years, you are going to own a home free and clear, assuming that you don't take out any other loans. Now, if you're paying cash, this part doesn't apply, but the majority of people are going to buy a house with a loan, so this forced savings account does happen, and over the course of 15 to 30 years, you will own a house free and clear, and it would be an asset that you could then liquidate in the future. Now, the other aspect here is the potential tax benefits. So you've got the forced savings account, the potential tax benefits, and I've actually just shot another video here about this, but you're going to have your mortgage interest deduction. So you'll be able to reduce your income potentially by the amount that you've paid in interest on your home loan. Now, this is limited to interests or loans up to $750,000. So you'd be able to deduct the interest on a loan up to $750,000. If you did buy a house before the 14th of December in 2017, you'd actually be able to use the old limit, which was up to $1 million. The other area, the property taxes, I mentioned those as well. You'd be able to deduct the property taxes that you pay on your home. Now, there is a limit on this as well, up to $10,000, and this would include other taxes like your sales taxes or income taxes in the state. Those are going to get bundled together, so it's a total of $10,000. But you could just choose to deduct the property tax portion. And then the other piece there is the potential, when you sell it, the capital gains piece. If it's your primary residence and you live there 2 out of the last 5 years, you would potentially be able to sell your home and not pay any of the gains, any tax on the gains, up to $250,000 if you're a single person, or if you're married and filing together, up to $500,000. So imagine an asset that grows in value. Hopefully, we'll talk about that in the last part, the appreciation piece. But potentially, your home is appreciating in value, and over the long period of time, right? There's always bumps in the market, but over the long period of time, generally, real estate is a safe bet there as far as the appreciation goes, and that's the third piece I want to talk about. So you've got the potential benefit of the forced savings account, you've got the potential tax benefits, and then you also have the last benefit here of the appreciation. So let's just take an example of Seattle, right? One of the hottest real estate markets in the country, if not the hottest actually right now. Over the last 3 years, so from January 2015 to now, home values in general, roughly, the median sales price, have gone from $500,000 to now new record $743,500. So $743,000 is the median sales price in January 2018. So over 3 years, home prices have increased 48.5%. We're actually almost at the 50% mark there. So if you bought a home 3 years ago, your home value has climbed dramatically. So you've got the, again, forced savings account, potential tax benefits, and then also the appreciation. So those are just a few of the benefits. If you have other benefits that you've thought of, feel free to comment below. I think the other benefit that gets overlooked is you actually have a roof over your head. So instead of paying your rent, you are actually having some kind of a financial benefit for the roof over your head. Now, it's not for everybody. Home ownership's not for everybody, so that's not what I'm trying to say in this video. If you're not planning to be here for longer than a year and you're not planning to plant any roots, don't buy a house, rent. But if you are planning to stay a while and plant some roots, it probably is a good idea to consider what buying a home might look like. So if you have other questions about this video, feel free to comment below. I'd love to connect as well. If you have questions about the process, I want to be a resource for you. Until next time, bye for now.